Accounting. Well, it's pretty much financial management, ABC. But accountancy is a social science. Now, a lot of people don't understand that accounting is a social science, but accounting is a social science. It's how I interpret transactions and how you present transactions to me. Now, remember, accounting is not seen in a vacuum. It's about numbers, it's about debits and credits, and debtors and creditors, liabilities and assets, all these lovely things. But at the end of the day, most business people don't understand. They want to know, are they making a profit, and what that profit at the end of the day is going to mean. So when we approach accounting, we sit down with you and look at your company, and look at your company holistically again. Now you will see there's a thread that's starting to emerge through all these videos, is holistically. Everything starts with accounting. How we account for the numbers. Is our company making money? Is it not making money? And I'm not just going to come to you and say to you, well, you know what, the bottom line of your company is you're not making money. I will sit with you and say to you, right, let's look at this. Now, a lot of my clients always come to me and say, well, maybe we should cut insurances, cut this, cut that. And I'm like, you cannot cut insurances because you're going to cut your own throat. So let's look at another avenue. Over the years, I've found a lot of people hear, but they don't listen. Now, in accounting, unfortunately, you're working with definites. You're working with A, B, and C. You're working with numbers. You're working with rules, regulations, IFRS. I can show you IFRS books in the back of this cupboard of mine. That's 6 or 7 volumes. By the end of the day, it still remains a social science. And I need to make you understand the numbers. As much as you run your business, we need to make you understand the numbers. And that is what we do. We as accountants have to believe in your business and show you what your business is capable of. And the numbers tell us. And that's basically the service we provide. Yes, we look after debtors and creditors. We do the books, we make sure that that's in, pay as you earn is done. All these lovely things are done. But accountancy is a lot more than numbers. This is where I always say, I become a counselor, a headmaster, a teacher, a therapist. Sometimes I've got to give my clients CPR and all those lovely things. But that is accounting. That is why it's a social science. It's not just simply numbers. It's about interpretation. How do we look at the numbers? What does the numbers mean? And at the end of the day, I've got to translate that. And this is where our biggest strength lies. Is why our clients become family, why our clients become friends. It's because we interpret the numbers in such a manner that you will understand it at the end of the day. And that is the most important part of accounting. No matter the rules, no matter the regulations, you need to be able to understand your numbers as the user of that numbers, because you need to grow your business from that point onwards. So I welcome you to use our services.